So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to translate the Xianyu app, which is also known as Fish. Now, as you all know that Alipay and Xianyu app work hand in hand because it is the Alipay account you use to make payment on Xianyu app. So to translate it, you open your Alipay account, you click on settings, then you go to where you see general. Can you see? Click on general, then you scroll to where you see translation tool. When you click on translation tool, now you see different type of language there: English, Espanol, whatever language. Click on English, and if you want to change the language, you can pick any language you want, but for me I'll be picking English as my language. Now you go to the main page of Alipay account, the home page, and you click on more. When you click on more, you use the search button to search for Xianyu. Can you see what I'm doing? When you type Xianyu, it will bring out the Xianyu app. Then you click on the first one. When you click on the first one, you wait for the app to be translated to English. Can you see beside this icon? You can see the translation icon, right? Now, if you want the page to be fully translated to English, you click on that translation icon. Then you wait a few minutes for the page to be translated to English. Can you see what I'm doing? Now, we can use this particular um page to search for anything we want and translate it to English. For me, I'll be searching for 12 Pro Max. Now, if I'm buying 12 Pro Max and I want to know the description of the phone that I want to buy, when you type 12 Pro Max and you click on that translation icon, automatically the page will be translated to English. Can you see? Can you see now that I can read this particular page, this supplier's page, in English without any stress? So this is how to translate the Xianyu app to English. And the good news is that even from your Alipay account, you can place order directly. You can buy your phone directly through the Alipay account. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can post more helpful video that can help you in your importation business. Thank you for watching. Bye.